You need some word to grow, and you especially need some verb to brush up your vocabulary in Sango if you really want to speak Sango as a native. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this short video, we're gonna be discovering some small verbs that help you to build your own sentence in Sango. Igwe? Alright, let's start with the first one, which is gwe. Gwe. To go. Gwe. To go. Ga. To come. Ga. To come. Duchi. To sit. Duchi. To sit. Londo. To stand up. Londo. To stand up. Tombela. To walk. Tombela. To walk. Tene. To speak. Tene. To speak. Iri. To call. Iri. To call. Nyo. To drink. Nyo. To drink. Te. To eat. Te. To eat. Alright, we are at the end of this short video. I hope you guys will enjoy. If you have any question, don't forget to drop them in the comment section. Bye and see you in the next lesson.